I'm back with another video. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate tips and tricks. Alright, let's talk about partnerships. They can be a game changer when you're starting with no money. Partnering with someone who has the capital can really help you get started. Now, house hacking is another powerful and effective real estate strategy. Essentially, you buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. This approach allows you to leverage your investment in a way that not only provides you with a place to live but also generates income from the other units. This way, your tenants help cover your mortgage. Imagine the relief of having a significant portion, if not all, of your mortgage payment taken care of by the rental income. This can free up your finances for other investments or personal expenses. This strategy not only reduces your living expenses, but also builds equity over time. As you pay down your mortgage with the help of your tenants, you're simultaneously increasing your ownership stake in the property. Over the years, this can lead to significant wealth accumulation. House hacking can be a great way to start in real estate with minimal upfront costs. By purchasing a multi-unit property, you can often qualify for residential loans, which typically have lower interest rates and down payment requirements compared to commercial loans. This makes it more accessible for first-time investors. Additionally, house hacking provides a hands-on learning experience in property management. You'll gain valuable skills in tenant relations, maintenance, and financial management, which can be beneficial if you decide to expand your real estate portfolio in the future. Many successful real estate investors started with house hacking. It's a practical way to get your foot in the door and build a foundation for future investments. By living in the property, you can closely monitor its condition and address any issues promptly, ensuring a well-maintained investment. Moreover, house hacking can provide a sense of community. Living in close proximity to your tenants allows for better communication and a more personal relationship, which can lead to longer tenancy and fewer vacancies. It's important to do thorough research and due diligence before purchasing a multi-unit property. Consider factors such as location, property condition, and potential rental income. Consulting with a real estate agent who specializes in investment properties can provide valuable insights and help you make an informed decision. In conclusion, house hacking is a versatile and effective strategy for those looking to enter the real estate market. It offers the dual benefits of reducing living expenses and building equity, all while providing a steady stream of rental income. With careful planning and management, house hacking can be a stepping stone to financial independence and long-term wealth. So, if you're considering a way to invest in real estate without a large upfront cost, house hacking might just be the perfect strategy for you. Start small, learn the ropes, and watch your investment grow over time. Remember, every great real estate journey begins with a single step. House hacking could be yours. Next up, seller financing. This is an alternative method of purchasing property that can be incredibly beneficial for both buyers and sellers. Let's dive deeper into how it works and why it might be the right choice for you. With this method, the seller acts as the bank, allowing you to make payments directly to them. Essentially, the seller provides the financing for the buyer, bypassing traditional financial institutions. This can streamline the process and make it more accessible for those who might not qualify for conventional loans. It's a fantastic way to acquire property without traditional bank financing. This can be particularly advantageous in a competitive market where securing a bank loan might take too long or be too cumbersome. Seller financing can offer more flexible terms and quicker closings, making it an attractive option for many buyers. This can be particularly useful if you have less than perfect credit. Traditional lenders often have stringent credit requirements, but with seller financing, the seller has the discretion to set the terms. This means that even if your credit score isn't ideal, you still have a chance to purchase the property you desire. Always ensure you understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. It's crucial to have a clear agreement in place, outlining the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any other pertinent details. Consulting with a real estate attorney or financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities and ensure that your interests are protected. One of the key benefits of seller financing is the potential for negotiation. Since the seller is in control, there's often more room to negotiate terms that are mutually beneficial. This could include a lower down payment, a more favorable interest rate, or a longer repayment period. It's all about finding a balance that works for both parties. Another advantage is the potential for faster transactions. Without the need to wait for bank approvals, the process can move much more quickly. This can be a significant advantage in a hot real estate market where timing is everything. Being able to close a deal swiftly can sometimes make the difference between securing your dream property and losing out to another buyer. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Since the seller is not a professional lender, they may not have the same level of expertise in structuring loans. This can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or disputes down the line. It's essential to have everything clearly documented and to seek professional advice to mitigate these risks. Payments are typically made directly to the seller, which can simplify the process. However, it's important to keep detailed records of all transactions. This will help ensure that there are no discrepancies and that both parties are on the same page regarding the repayment schedule and remaining balance. In conclusion, seller financing can be a powerful tool in the real estate market. It offers flexibility, speed, and the potential for more favorable terms. But like any financial arrangement, it's important to proceed with caution and to fully understand the terms of the agreement. With the right approach, seller financing can be a win-win for both buyers and sellers. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the intricate world of real estate investment, starting from the very basics and moving towards more advanced strategies. Starting in real estate with no money is challenging, but definitely possible. It requires creativity, determination, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Many successful real estate entrepreneurs began with little to no capital, relying on their resourcefulness and strategic thinking to build their empires. By leveraging partnerships, house hacking, and seller financing, you can build your portfolio from the ground up. Partnerships allow you to pool resources and share risks, making it easier to acquire properties. House hacking, where you live in one part of a property while renting out the other parts, can help you cover your mortgage and even generate additional income. Seller financing, where the seller provides the financing for the buyer, can be a great way to acquire property without traditional bank loans. Keep learning, stay persistent, and you'll see success. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest trends and strategies is crucial. Attend seminars, read books, and network with other investors to continuously expand your knowledge. Persistence is key. There will be challenges and setbacks, but those who stay committed and keep pushing forward will ultimately achieve their goals. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to take that first step. With dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn, you can turn your real estate dreams into reality. So, go out there, take action, and start building your real estate portfolio today. The journey may be long, but the rewards are well worth the effort and time invested. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.